There are two main approaches in crypto markets. One is active trading, second is hodling. And in this video, we will try to answer a question whether hodling indeed stands against profitable, correct trading, because we all know that trading has two significant advantages. It provides opportunities both in upwards and downwards movement, and there is opportunity to correctly use leverage. So it gives infinite possibilities to make money. But does hodling actually stand chance here? Let's explore this. First and foremost, what is hodling? Hodling actually is crypto slang for something which is actually the same long-term investing. So in opposed to active trading, here you are looking for best crypto investments, or in other words, crypto projects which could yield significant returns. And here is good arguments for it. Firstly, the largest crypto markets itself have provided spectacular money-making opportunities if you simply bought them and hold them for significant time periods. Everyone, of course, knows super story of Bitcoin, right? But let me tell you other good example, and this is Ethereum in 2017. If we are opening this chart, we see that price of Ethereum at beginning of 2017 was roughly $10 per Ethereum, which is nothing, right? But look what happened when markets started to move at spring of 2017. Up until mid-June, it actually made 40-fold returns to $400. And then once crypto markets accelerated at late 2017 to early 2018, it actually went to $1,150 in January 2018. So in 1 year, it made more than 100-fold gain. $10 invested would yield it at $1,150. And ask yourself how much you have made if you had like $5,000 or $10 invested there. Yes, this is only 1 year, and this is a real fact. So no wonder why there are good arguments for that. Like, it might be extreme case with Ethereum, but examples like this happen at some point or another. So argument here is strong, but question of course now rises how to do this correctly, because well, at most of the times, most crypto projects fail. So here's what you should do. Firstly, you have to create diversified portfolio. If you are putting all your money into one project, you are doomed to fail. So stack your portfolio between more established names who have already proven themselves. That will be your reference point, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other coins, and then see what are the most promising coins that could make good money. Now, it's out of this video to give you exact points, and I'm not trying to do this, but here are a couple of aspects that you should know. Firstly, see whether the project actually is promising, what's the team behind it, what's the idea behind it, and actually if they are able to pull all that off. If you are simply buying on enthusiasm, you are far better off than you are if you are trading. So perfect due diligence is absolutely must here. So that was the second point. And of course, third point here is psychology, because let's face it, crypto has huge market swings, and even if you are patiently waiting for capital to rise, see simply Bitcoin price fluctuations at last 3 years. It may have rise spectacularly by outperforming S&P 500, but its fall is as significant or even more significant to S&P 500. So be prepared for that. Be prepared that your capital might double in a couple of weeks, and to see that spectacular rise drop to like 60-70%, because that's the nature of crypto markets. You have to be prepared for that. If you are not, you will be buying it and selling it at precisely the wrong point. You will be buying it exactly at the time when you had witnessed all your gains on paper, not on real life, and you will be buying just at the peak moment. And you will be selling that exactly at the wrong time as well, because you will panic simply due to the too unpleasant and too sharp price drops, and you will be took out at exactly the worst moments. So you have to sit down those huge drawdowns, and you have to be patient once your prices are rising. So this is the fact. If you are hodling, there are three things that you have to remember. But before I told them, I have one important message that I want to address. If you want to see in-depth due diligence and analysis of crypto market and projects between some crypto coins, I suggest you to follow me on my Telegram, because there I'll be showing you not only trades and trade examples, but analysis of crypto markets, and see how you could actually separate and have good projects by avoiding catastrophic investing mistakes. See that if you are interested in hodling and to understand how to actually create long-term crypto portfolio. And in addition to that, you will get free trading signals. But now let's move on. Let's wrap this all up and see what were the 3 most important factors of hodling and whether hodling actually really stands chance against trading. First things first, you have to diversify your portfolio. You have to balance it between established names in crypto markets to have some solid base and reference point where you are going with your portfolio. And you of course have to believe that crypto will rise, otherwise there is no point of doing it. And secondly, you have to choose the best projects out of your competence and understanding. Yes, of course, there are a lot of projects, but you have to weed out ones with no capital behind them, which is not verified, no team behind it, and no understanding how actually they are going to improve crypto industry. If only these factors stack together pretty well, only then you could consider investing in these projects. So have portfolio of at least 10 cryptos. If you have done this, you simply have understanding how to create big markets and have correct diversification, then you have to have good psychological background and mental discipline to withstand huge price fluctuations. Because yes, there are those opportunities when markets could rise several fold in less than 6 months, but they'll be dropping for 60-70% as well. So ability to withstand these drawdowns will be at least as important as to correct diversification and ability to pick correct projects. So stack these 3 things together and you might have a chance. So question is whether you actually really have that chance to stand it up against good trading. I would say yes, because trading is double-edged sword. Yes, it has leverage, yes, it has opportunity to trade both in upwards and downwards market, but it's way more time consuming and way more emotionally draining than long-term hodling. So this actually is more suitable for most of the crypto participants to create good sustainable portfolio and just simply ignore everything else. Because there is not only question about which is better on theory. The most important question is what is actually something that could you really pull off day trading strategies with crypto? Do you have time and resources for it? If so, good for you. Then you seriously can make money. But if not, you are simply lying to yourself and long-term approach for you would be better. And here's one thing that I also have to add at the end of this video. Actually, you could choose between active and passive ways of hodling. So one approach is to simply go and search for best projects, and another approach is to simply follow largest names and ignore everything else. Which is more beneficial for you? Do you want to actively be involved in crypto projects, research them, go with airdrops and try to make that money from the first day on and hoping that it will go 1000-fold? Or you are simply trying to diversify your investment portfolio and allocation to 3 to 5 largest crypto coins will be better for you? This is also a way how to actually look at hodling for more practical perspective. But remember, this is only depending on you, your approach and your goals within crypto markets. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, make sure you are joining me on my Telegram channel where you will be seeing a lot more explanations of how to correctly stack up your long-term crypto portfolio, how to look at different crypto markets and analyze these projects, and of course get free trading signals. And in addition to that, of course, watch my additional videos about crypto markets and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thanks for watching. Till next video.